Mary, the new menu is ready, but I have a problem.
What is it, John?
The owner wants a vegan pizza, but I don't know what to put on it.
Okay, what do we have in the kitchen today?
We have tomatoes, mushrooms, spinach, and olives.
That's good. Let's use all of them.
But no cheese? A pizza without cheese is not a real pizza.
We can use vegan cheese. It melts like normal cheese.
Really? Does it taste good?
Yes, Table 5 ordered it last week. They loved it.
Okay, I trust you. Let's add vegan cheese, mushrooms, and spinach.
Perfect. And let's put olives on top. It looks great on the plate.
Nice idea. The menu needs a photo, too. Can you take one?
Of course, I'll do it after we make the first one.
Great. I think the customers will like this.
They will. Vegan food is very popular now.
You're right. Let's start.